David Jenkins, ready to slide down a mountain of snow on his ass.
I can't do this no more. Oh, look up the ass.
Yo, I got air off that when I did it. You good?
Yeah. This one seems much safer.
It does. Maybe because it's not as steep. I'm gonna go down the other one.
Go. I'm pausing it. Should I pause it?
Can you?
My phone's okay? Yep, my phone's fine.
Which one should I go down? The other one?
Yeah.
I'm about to hurt myself.
I'm taking a picture
So
of this
please
shit.
get it on video.
Take one.
Take one, nigga, this is the only tape we make it.
Dude, this shit got zoom?
David,
I got you.
you better catch me. You ready?
Yeah. How was it?
My ass is wet. This shit's much funner. It hurts less on your booty. Wanna go?
Sure.
Go ahead. What is my ass? A little faster. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm still recording.
Oh man, it's gonna hurt.
No, it's not. It's a lot less hurtful.
Which way you?
Oh, shit! You have your feet down. It's not fair. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Any last words?
Peace. Peace. Peace.
You're so silly.